This is Makeway. It will make you feel things. This is joy. This is frustration. This is satisfaction. And this is pride. Makeway is a modular magnetic super puzzle. It attaches to any metallic surface and doesn't take any floor space. It can be created here or here, at your home, outside, or your office. This, by the way, is procrastination. Makeway is made of 8 different tracks and 15 different tricks. Each track and each trick has its own unique moves. How to set them up is up to you, and the configurations are endless. Take the spinner, for example. With one ball, it spins. That's fun, but put another one and you get a path creator. Put 3 balls and you got a show. Add a lift at the end of your path and you got a Perpetua Mobilia. The lift is also modular, so you can make it longer and longer and longer. This is amazement. Makeway is created by these 2 guys. They have backgrounds in woodworking and industrial engineering. They wanted to create a super unique and engaging design piece. They wound up with a stunning system of modular, compatible units that they just can't keep their hands off. So if you want to partake in the joy and excitement that comes from building a unique path, then building another one and another, get Makeway. It's so much fun.
Trim down on time and money using eTech City's EL11 digital luggage scale. Ideal for traveling and recycling, this petite and portable scale has the weight capacity of up to 110 pounds, simplifying the way you weigh your personal effects. Designed with easy grip comfort, the scale features a durable nylon wraparound hanging system for easy handling. With a user-friendly button interface, measure environment temperature, convert units, and tare weight with the press of a button. Each time you turn on the scale, it will remember the last unit used when you made your last measurement. The scale is small in size for easy on-the-go storage while maintaining the durability to stand the test of time and travel. Simply hang your luggage from the nylon hook and evenly suspend it in the air until the scale stabilizes and locks your final weight results. To measure the weight of contents without the added weight of the container that holds them, first weigh the container without any contents inside of it. Once the weight results stabilize, press the tare button to recalibrate the scale to the weight of the container. Now add the contents in which you wish to measure to the container and suspend it to calculate the final weight. To reset a tared calibration, remove all weight from the scale and press the tare button. It's that simple. Effortlessly measure the weight of your luggage before you ever reach the airlines, saving you an average of $50 to $200 of unexpected overweight luggage fees. It's the perfect addition to your itinerary for happy travels.